All right, this is the 2-in-1 low profile ceiling fan with light. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And it came packaged great, and it arrived safely and packed in styrofoam, and you can see me unboxing it over here. Right off the bat, it has a plastic construction on it. It's super lightweight. There's a cage around the fan for safety, and it came with a remote control, which I like. It also came with wall mounting hardware too, the screws, the mount, so you can mount your remote control underneath your light switch, which I've done. And you can also use it with the Toya Smart app, which I'm not a big app guy. I'm probably just going to use your remote control. But there are all kinds of options on that app with color changes, etc. Millions of different colors you can do. Timer. It's not only a fan, but it also has a light bulb built into it, as you can see. And this is exactly what I needed. I'm hanging this in my dining room, and it's going to be perfect for that. As far as the installation goes, and you can see me doing that over here, the lightweight design makes it easier to install than those regular large bladed fans, and they've given us everything we need to install it, except for whatever tools you may use. It is your typical 3-wire installation, and if you don't feel comfortable doing something like that yourself, always consult an electrician to do it. Now let's go over the remote. We've got an on-off up here. You can change the direction of the fan right here. You've got 6 different fan speeds. You can turn the fan on or off individually right here. You can turn the light on or off individually right here. You can adjust the brightness of the light this way. This camera is probably not going to pick this up very well, but you can see it. You've got different color settings you can change. All kinds of stuff that you can do on the remote, which I think is kind of neat. And there's a timer function over here from I think 1 to 4 hours. And if you want to get back to the white light, you just press the light bulb button again, and it works just like that. They say that it also works via Alexa, Google, and Smart Life, but I don't use any of those. But if you know how to set those up, there's a way to do it. They also apparently have 16 million different colors, timer features, all kinds of stuff on the app. Inside the instructions, they've given us cleaning and maintenance instructions. You can actually pull this cover off and clean it, makes it easier to clean. So there you go, a multi-purpose fan and light with remote options and app options and Alexa, Google, all that stuff, options like that. And as you can tell, it's pretty quiet while it's running, and it was super easy for me to install. Very nice.